Welcome all of you. Today discuss about problems on the sphere, BSc first year syllabus, mathematics subject. Consider first question. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and making intercept small ABC with axis. So in this question given that an sphere which intersecting to the given axis means positive x-axis, positive y-axis and positive z-axis at the point capital A, capital B, capital C, where the coordinates of capital A are a small a 0 0 because the distance on the x-axis intercepted by required sphere is small a. Similarly, distance on the y-axis intercepted by required sphere is small b, and on the z-axis it is equal to small c distance. Also, this sphere passing through the origin means coordinate of origin is 0 0 0. So, find an equation of the sphere which passing through 4 points. First point is origin capital O, second point is capital A, and third point is capital B, and fourth at last capital C. So in the solution, draw a figure, positive x-axis, positive y-axis and positive z-axis. Suppose that is origin. Then find the equation of sphere which passing through the origin and point A whose coordinates this distance is equal to small a, this distance is equal to small b, and this distance is equal to small c, is denoted by capital B, is denoted by capital C. So coordinates of point capital A are a 0 0, coordinates of point capital B are 0 b 0, and coordinates of capital C are 0 0 small c. Here this is point capital C denoted by capital C, and distance is denoted by small c. So coordinate of point capital C are 0 0 c. And according by question, our required sphere must be passing through origin and point A, point B and point C. So first write general equation of the sphere. The general equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is represented by first equation. In this equation, coefficient of x square, y square, z square is equal to unit, and coefficient of x is equal to 2u, coefficient of y is equal to 2v, coefficient of z is equal to 2w, and d is a constant. Also here 2u, 2v, 2w and d are constants in this equation, equation first, which is equation of the sphere, required sphere. So according by question, this sphere passing through the points capital A, capital B, capital C, whose coordinates are a 0 0, 0 b 0 and 0 0 c, and coordinates of origin you know that are 0 0 0. So first equation first, passing through to the origin by question, sphere first means required sphere is passing through point capital O means origin, point capital O means origin whose coordinates are 0, 0, 0. You know that if any equation passing through to the any point, then all coordinates of x, y and z must be satisfied to the given equation. Therefore, you can putting the value of x is equal to 0, first quadrant, putting the value of y is equal to 0, second quadrant, and at last z quadrant means z is equal to 0. So, putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 in equation first. Because equation first is passing through to the origin according by question, therefore putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 in equation first. Then x is equal to 0, 0 square, y is equal to 0, 0 square, z is equal to 0, 0 square plus 2u into 0, because x is equal to 0 is 2v into 0 plus 2w into 0 plus d is equal to 0 is equation first. So here in the equation first, putting the all values of small x, y, z of quadrant of the origin, because origin is lies on the equation first, means lies on the equation of required sphere. So after simplification, this is equal to 0, 0, 0 means 0, it is also is equal to 0. So 0, 0, after multiply is also is equal to 0, is 0 plus d is equal to 0. So after simplification, it is implies that d is equal to 0 is represented by equation second. In the equation second, it's clear that if equation first means required sphere passing through to the origin, whose then coordinates of origin means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, represented to distance d is equal to 0 means distance d is equal to 0. Similarly, according by question, this sphere first is also passing through the point capital A, point capital B, point capital C, but according by question, sphere intercepting to at distance small a, at distance small b, at distance small c on the axis. Therefore, suppose that intersecting point is capital A, capital B, capital C on the axis, then coordinates of capital A is equal to A0, 0, coordinates of capital B is equal to 0, B0, and coordinates of capital C is equal to 0, 0, C. So here write this, since required sphere first intercepted to the axis at distance small a, b, c, then coordinates of intercepted to the axis at distance small a, b, c to the points capital A, capital B and capital C respectively. Then coordinates of capital A, capital B and capital C are a0 0, 0 b 0 and 0 0 small c. Point is denoted by capital C and coordinates is denoted by small c, means 0 0 small c. But according by question, required sphere first is passing through point capital A, whose coordinates are a 0 0. Then by definition, putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. It is implies that putting x is equal to 0, x is equal to small a, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 in equation first. Because equation first means required sphere is passing through the point capital A, therefore putting x is equal to a, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Then from the equation first, x is equal to a means a square and y is equal to 0, so is equal to 0 and z also is equal to 0 and 2u small a plus 2u small a, and here putting y is equal to 0, so total is 0, same as this term is also equal to 0 plus d, but you know that the value of d is equal to 0 from the equation second, so you can putting d is equal to 0 in the equation first, so is equal to 0. It is implies that u is equal to suppose that 2u is equal to 2u is equal to minus a by a is equal to minus a, 2 is equal to minus a. Here minus a square divided by a is equal to minus a. Same process you can apply for points capital B and capital C, which are already intercepting point of the sphere to the axis. Therefore for point capital B, putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to b and z is equal to 0. Similarly for point capital C, putting the value of x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Therefore similarly b square plus 2v, b is equal to 0, it is implies to 2v is equal to minus b, and for C point write c square plus 2w c is equal to 0, it is implies that 2w is equal to minus c. These are values of 2u, 2v and 2w. So from equation second and from these equations, suppose that is represented by equation third, equation fourth and equation fifth. In equation third, fourth, fifth, putting the all values of small d, 2u is equal to minus a, 2v is equal to minus b and 2w is equal to minus c in equation first, then equation of required sphere is clear. So from equations first, second, third, fourth and fifth, it's clear that x square plus y square plus z square and the value of 2u is equal to minus a. So here putting 2u is equal to minus a, minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. 2u is equal to minus a, 2v is equal to small v, 2w is equal to small c, and d already is equal to 0 from the equation second. So putting all values of small u, small v, small w and small d in equation first, then you can write the complete equation of required sphere, which is represented by x square y square z square minus ax minus b square minus cz is equal to 0. So is required solution of the question first. In the question first, given that a sphere intercepting to the axis, suppose that intercepting point is capital A, capital B, capital C, according by sphere at distance A, small a, and y-axis at distance b, and z-axis small c is intercepted. Therefore, coordinates of intercepting point is capital A, capital B, capital C is clear that. So first write the general equation of the sphere, which is represented by equation first. In this equation, 2u, 2v, 2w and d are constant. So for complete equation of the required sphere, calculate these values constant 2u, 2v, 2w and d. For this, according by question, sphere first is passing through the origin also. So putting the origin, for origin x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, putting in the equation first. So after this calculation, and find the small d value, which is equal to 0 and is represented by equation second. After this, putting the all coordinates of intercepting point capital A, capital B, capital C. Here coordinates of capital A is equal to a0, 0 because required sphere first intercepting to the x-axis at the distance small a. So coordinate of capital A is a0, 0. Similarly, coordinate of capital B intercepting point capital B on the y-axis are 0, b0 and z-axis 0, 0, c. So equation first satisfied by these coordinates capital A, capital B, capital C, and after simplification you can find the value of 2u, which is equal to minus a, 2v, which is equal to minus b, and 2w, which is equal to minus c. After this, total values means small d, 2u, 2v, 2w, all these values putting in the equation first and write the equation of required sphere, which is this x square y square z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. Means the equation of sphere which passing through the point capital ABC and origin is x square y square z square minus ax minus by minus cz. This is also known as equation of the sphere, equation of the sphere capital O A B C. So sphere is capital O A B C, whose equation is. After this, take a next question. In the question second, find the equation of sphere described on line joining. Coordinates of end point of the line joinings are 1, minus 2, 4, 9, 7, minus 1 as diameter. In this question given that coordinates of end point of the diameter, for which want to do the equation of the sphere, means find the equation of a sphere whose ends point of the diameter are first point is denoted by 1, minus 2, 4, 9, 7, minus 1. So in this question, write to the solution, describe an figure whose diameter suppose that is capital A and capital B, and the coordinates are 1, -2, 4, and second point taken capital B, whose coordinates 9, 7, -1. Suppose that is the center capital C and is required sphere. So according by question, given that coordinates of diameter end points capital A and capital B and is diameter, so capital C is a center. So for this question you can directly use to the formula for the diameter of the sphere, and in which if ends coordinates of the diameter are given, then you directly use to the formula and find the equation of sphere. So here write, given that ends point of diameter of required sphere are, suppose that first point is denoted by capital A, so its coordinates are 1, -2, 4, and second point is capital B, whose coordinates are 9, 7, -1. So in the question given that diameter ends coordinates, which is represented by point capital A and point capital B. In this case, apply to the directly formula of diameter of the sphere for, so the equation of required sphere in diameter form and diameter form. Formula is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 plus z minus z1 and z minus z2 is equal to 0 is equation of the sphere in diameter form, whose ends coordinates are x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So in the question given that x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to -2 and z is equal to 4, means here point first taken as first point and for which x1 y1 z1, and b taken as second point for which x2 y2 z2. So putting these values of x1 y1 z1 in this equation means equation first, and after then you can calculate the required sphere of. So putting x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to -2 and z1 is equal to 4, and for point capital B x2 is equal to 9, y2 is equal to 7 and z is equal to -1. In equation first, then x minus x1 means 1 and x minus x2, here x2 is equal to 9, so 9 plus y minus y1, y1 is equal to -2, right here plus 2, and y minus y2, y2 is equal to 7, putting 7 plus z minus z1, z1 is equal to 4 and second bracket z minus z2, z2 is equal to -1, so right here plus 1 is equal to 0 is equation first. In the equation first, putting all values of subscript first and subscript second. So after simplification, this you can complete equation of the sphere. So multiply of this, x is equal to x square minus 9x minus x and plus 9 plus 9 plus y into y square minus 7y plus 2y and minus 14. At last z square plus z minus 4z and minus 4 is equal to 0. Here second quadrant of variables x, y and z taken in one bracket, and first quadrant of variables x, y, z taken in second bracket, and last third bracket considered all numerical values here 9, 14 and 4. So in first bracket write x square plus y square plus z square plus in second bracket minus 9x and x is equal to minus 10x minus 10x minus 7y plus 2y is equal to minus 5y, and in z minus 4 is equal to minus 3z plus numerical values are 9 minus 14 is equal to 5 minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. 9 minus 14 is equal to minus 5 and minus 4. So after simplification, it is right in the form x square plus y square plus z square minus 10x minus 5y minus 3z and minus 9 is equal to 0. Is equation of the sphere. So this is required equation of the sphere. Is complete solution of the question second. In the question second, given that coordinates of end point of the diameter of required sphere. So first write to the symbol of first point capital A and given second point is capital B. Here AB is diameter of required sphere and C is center of the sphere. In the question given that coordinates of capital A, so it suppose that point capital A whose coordinates 1 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 4 and B is second point, given second point whose coordinates are 9 7 minus 1 means second end of the diameter AB. After this write to the equation means formula of sphere in diameter form is x minus x1 times x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 plus z minus z1 times z minus z2 is equal to 0. Is diameter form of the sphere. In this equation means equation first putting the values of x1, y1, z1 which you can find from the equation from the point capital A and the value of x2, y2, z2 from the point capital B. So putting all values in the equation first and after simplification is x square y square z square minus 10x minus 5y minus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0, which is complete equation of the sphere means equation of the required sphere. After this taken next question. In the question third, find the equation of the sphere whose center is given, whose coordinates are 2, -3, 4, and which passes through the point 1, 2, -1. In this question, required sphere is passing through the point 1, 2, -1 and has center coordinates are 2, -3, 4. So if you can find to the radius of the required sphere, so can write to the equation of the required sphere. Since this sphere is passing through the point 1, 2, -1 and center is 2, -3, 4, then distance between center and this point is equal to the radius of the required sphere, you know that, and therefore write the solution. Given center coordinates of the required sphere are, suppose that center is capital C, then whose coordinates is denoted by 2, -3 and 4 according by question. First draw and figure this is point capital C, and suppose that here point capital A from which required sphere is passing. So coordinates of A will be 1, 2, -1 and is required sphere. According by question, the required sphere is passing through given point capital A, whose coordinates are 1, 2, -1. Then distance between C and A means passing point CA is the radius denoted by capital R, means radius of the sphere is capital R, which is equal to, from the figure, distance CA, and given that and the sphere also passing through point capital A. Suppose that given point is denoted by point capital A, whose coordinates are 1, 2, -1. So it is clear that required sphere is passing through point capital A and has center capital C. Coordinates of capital C are 2, -3 and 4. 2, -3 and 4. Then from the figure, distance between point capital C and point capital A is equal to the radius of the required sphere. So first calculate the radius of the required sphere, means the distance between point capital C and point capital A. If capital R is the radius of required sphere, then capital R is equal to distance CA or AC, because distance between C and A must be equal to distance between A and C. Here you can use to the distance formula. You know that about the distance formula between 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is distance formula between 2 points. Here C taken as first point and A taken as second point. So coordinates of C are denoted by x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of point capital A are denoted by x2, y2, z2. Putting these values of x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in this equation, then radius is capital R, means distance CA is equal to under root here 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square, and z components are 4 minus 1 means plus 1 whole square is equal to under root of 2 minus 1 and minus 3 minus 2 5 whole square 25. So 1 plus 25 plus 4 and 1 again 25 is under root 1 plus 25 plus 25 means is equal to radius R is equal to under root 51. So it is clear that radius of the required sphere is equal to under root 51, which is equal to distance between 2 points C and A, where C is the coordinate, where C is the center of the required sphere and A is given second point, and the sphere must be passing through the point capital A. So for this CA is equal to radius, and radius capital R means CA is equal to under root 51 is represented by first equation. After this it's clear that 2 points, first point center coordinates and second point radius of the required sphere. So here using to the directly formula of the sphere, since the equation of the sphere, since equation of the sphere whose center coordinates are x1, y1, z1 and radius is capital R, is x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square, z minus z1 whole square is equal to radius square means R square. This is formula when center of the sphere and radius is given, then is equation of required sphere. In this equation, putting the coordinates of center means capital C, therefore x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to 4, and capital R is equal to under root 51 by equation first. So putting x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 3 and z1 is equal to 4, R is equal to under root 51 in above equation. Then equation of required sphere is, then equation of required sphere is, so putting the values of all coordinates of the center and radius, write to the complete solution of the question third means equation of the sphere. So is equal to x minus x1 is equal to 2 whole square plus y minus 3 means plus 3, y plus 3 whole square plus z minus z1 means z minus 4 whole square is equal to R whole square means under root 5 1 whole square. Simplify to the equation, write x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square is equal to 51. Open to the bracket, x minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square, z minus 4 whole square by rules of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y and plus z square plus 16 minus 8z minus 51 is equal to 0. After simplification, total second order of the variables write in one bracket, first order of the variable in second bracket and numerical value at last bracket. So is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus minus 4x minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z and plus 4 plus 9 and plus 16 minus 51 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z and after simplification to 9 plus 6 25 plus 4 is equal to 29 and 51 minus 29 is equal to 2 and 4 to 22 minus 22 is equal to 0 is required equation of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z minus 22 is equal to 0. So in this question given that coordinate of the center of the required sphere and also given that sphere must be passing through a second point which is represented by point capital A whose coordinates are given 1, 2, minus 1. So according by question, our sphere is passing through the point A, then from the figure it is clear that distance CA is equal to radius of the sphere. So first calculate to the radius of the sphere. Here radius of the sphere, suppose that capital R, so R is equal to distance CA from the figure, and here write to the distance formula between 2 points. First point taken capital C and second point taken capital A. You can also and capital A as first point and capital C as second point. So putting the all values of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Since C taken as first point, so x1, y1, z1 from the coordinates of point C and x2, y2, z2 from the coordinates of point capital A. Putting all these values in the distance formula and radius is equal to under root 51. So it is represented by equation first. After then write to the equation of sphere whose center coordinates are x1, y1, z1 and radius suppose that is capital R. Then by theoretical it is equal to x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to R square is the equation of sphere whose center and radius are given. Okay, in this question center and radius is confirmed. So putting the values of x1, 2, y1, 3, z1 is equal to 4 because here in the question capital C is center of the sphere and R is equal to under root 51 radius of the required sphere. Putting all these values in this equation means equation second. Here you can write this equation second. and after then x minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square, z minus 4 whole square is equal to under root 51 whole square. So after simplification is equal to this. Here applying to the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formulae and taken simplification. In the first bracket taken all second quadrant of the variable x, y, z, and in the second bracket taken all variables of first power x, y, and z, and at last numerical values minus 22. So required equation of this pair is x square, y square, z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z minus 22 is equal to 0. Is complete solution of this question. After this, taken next question. In the question 4th, find the center and radius of sphere 2x square, 2y square, 2z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 15. In this question, given the equation of the sphere and calculate center coordinate and radius value of the sphere. So, solution, given equation of the sphere is x square, 2x square, 2y square, 2z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z minus 15 is equal to 0. You know that general equation of the sphere in which it is very important point, the coefficient of x square, y square, z square always equal to unit means 1. So here replace 2 by taken common from this equation. So x is square, y square and z square minus x plus 2y minus 3z and minus 15 by 2 is equal to 0. It is represented by first equation of the given sphere. This is the given sphere and is in the confirmed general form of the sphere. So write to the equation of the sphere, but equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Is represented by second equation. So second equation is the sphere equation in the standard form. 2u, 2v, 2w and d are constants. Equation first and equation second taken in compare form, and according by question find the radius and the center of the given sphere means equation first. For this, comparing to the equation first, comparing to the equation first with equation second. So in the comparing, coefficient of x square same as 1, coefficient of y square same as 1, and coefficient of z square same as 1. After this, comparing the coefficient of x, y, z and constant values, then you can find to the values of 2u, 2v and 2w. So it is implied that 2u is equal to minus 1. Here 2u coefficient of x in the equation second, and minus 1 coefficient of x in the equation first. So 2u is equal to minus 1 it is implies that u is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 2v is equal to 2v is the coefficient of y in the equation second and coefficient of y in the equation first is equal to 2, so is equal to 2. After simplification is equal to v is equal to 1 and at last 2w is equal to coefficient of z is equal to minus 3 from the equation first. So it is implies to w is equal to minus 3 by 2. And at last d, and d is equal to minus 15 by 2. Then by the formula of center and radius of the sphere, given sphere, so then center of sphere first, coordinates are minus u, minus v, minus w. Suppose the center is denoted by capital C. So putting the values of u, v, w from above, u is equal to minus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, and v is equal to 1, so minus 1, and at last w is equal to minus 3 by 2, so minus minus plus, and right here 3 by 2. These are coordinates of center of the given sphere. Means it's clear that center coordinates are 1 by 2, minus 1 and 3 by 2. After this, radius of the sphere is radius is capital R is equal to under root u square v square plus w square minus d. Putting all values of u, v, w and d in this equation, so is equal to under root u is equal to 1 by 2, so 1 by 4, and v is equal to minus 1, so plus 1, and w is equal to 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4. At last d is equal to minus 15 by 2, so minus minus plus 15 by 2. Simplify to this equation. Here taken 4 in LCM, and radius r is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 4 taken outside from the under root and is equal to 1 by 2. 1 plus 4 plus 30, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 30 is equal to 1 by 2 under root of 10 and 14 plus 13, 44, 9 1 10 and 4 14, 4 and 4 44. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 times under root 44. It is implied that radius of the sphere is equal to 1 by 2 times 44. It's complete solution. In this question, find the radius and the center of the given sphere. So first, from the equation first, represented to the given sphere. The equation first in the general form of the sphere, but in the given sphere, not in the general form. So first taken 2 from the given equation common and convert to this given equation in the general form, x square y square z square, something denoted by 1. So 1 is the sphere equation in the general form. After this, write the general form of the equation, x square y square z square 2ux plus 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Here our aim that find the coordinates of the radius of the center and radius. For this, comparing the coefficient of x, y, z and constants, and after then u value, v value and d value and d is clear. So by formula, center is denoted by minus u minus v minus W, putting the values of these U, V, W, center is clear. And after this, formula of radius is under root U square V square W square minus D, putting all the values of this equation second and first, and simplification R is equal to 1 by 2 times under root 44. So radius is 1 by 2 times under root 44 and center is 1 by 2 minus 1 and 3 by 2. It's clear. Solution of the question third. So thanks for watching to my video, and please discuss all questions carefully and taken all questions in mind, and solve to these questions without cheating in the rough. Some questions also available my notes book, so please take in notes book and see to others questions.